What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Make sure you read the disclaimer below. Today, me and my wife and my one-on-one students caught a nice little banger today, and we were able to call this out on Instagram. So let's go ahead and dive straight in, guys. Today, I was at the computer about 7:30 a.m. Time to give this market a quick little spanking. And then as you can see here, my one-on-one student got some nice wins. 10% here, 200, 400, 200. Remember, these results are not typical, but in this video, I'm gonna go through exactly how we took these trades and how one of my one-on-one students here has had over 7 green days in a row, how we've been doing this. And this is a screenshot of one of my one-on-one students who made a little over $200 today. Also too, guys, if you haven't joined the broadcast channel already, I created this cool channel over on my Instagram page, guys. I'm gonna have a link for it down below. Click that link down below. But I'm gonna send you guys some free alerts every now and then. So if you guys wanna learn, you guys wanna make sure you catch every single video, all my trade recaps, I'm gonna fill that bad boy up with so much valuable information. You guys are gonna become better traders. But anyway, I'll send this message out right here. SNGX is making a move above its breakout level at 204 right now. We'll be taking a position when this 5-minute candle closes and going for a quick move. Well, let's just go ahead and pull up the receipts here. Ticker is going to be over here in the top left-hand corner. And actually, let me go ahead and pull out the crayons for you guys because I know you guys love the crayons. That way I can really help you guys identify exactly where I got in at and where I got out at. So right here, ticker is going to be in the top left-hand corner. I'm always on the 5-minute time frame, guys. I always trade on the 5-minute time frame. I got my turbo trader pulled up right here so I can easily get in and out. Stop loss group orders pulled up over here so I can easily go in with a stop loss and a take profit as well. So SNGX, this one was on my watch list from early in the morning. So if you take a look right here, at 7:35 a.m., we made this initial move up right here. Boom. We get rejected right here at this price of around 204. So if you guys take a look at my IG post, that's exactly what I was talking about, breaking its breakout level above 204. Now, something I want you to notice is, well, first and foremost, I get this breakout level from the 5-minute time frame. And I don't use the wicks, okay? So if I was using the wicks, my breakout level would have been 213. I use the body of the candle, and that's how I put this horizontal line right here at around $2.04. Now, once I've established that breakout level, guys, what I want to do from there is just wait for a 5-minute candle to break and close above it. So right here, when I sent that message out on IG, let me see if it actually pulls up the time right here. I sent it out at 9:44 a.m. So you can see the timestamp right here, sent it out at 9:44 a.m. And then as you can see, that's when this candle is currently closing. So we started making a move up to around 204, and we were really close to breaking out on this candle. Now, I ended up not taking it on this breakout right here because it didn't quite break above that price that I wanted. I wanted a clear breakout above 204, and as you can see, we closed right below it right here. So I did not hit the buy button right here. I waited for this next 5-minute candle to form, and then right here, we closed above 204, and as soon as this candle closed right here, this is when I hit the buy button. Now, this is where a lot of people mess up. How do I hit the buy button here? So for me, I have my turbo trader pulled up. I created a video yesterday showing you guys how to set this up, but it's very easy. Right here, I have buy at market set up, and during market hours, I can always use buy at market. And then right here, I turn my stop loss and I turn my take profit on. That way, my stop loss is automatically, as soon as I enter my position, my stop loss is automatically generated and my take profit is generated. So I'm protected to the downside, so I can only lose X amount, whether I put in 15%, 10%, 5%, etc. And also too, if it spikes up quickly, I already have a take profit order up there. So if it spikes up, my order can get filled. Very important, guys. If you're not using your stop loss and your take profit, and you're not going in with group orders, guys, you're just missing out. I actually never go into any trade without a stop loss and a take profit during market hours. Now, in pre-market, you can't use them, but I'll tell that story another time. Pre-market is funny. Anyway, on SNGX right here, immediately as we get this 5-minute candle to close, this is where I ended up entering at right here at around $2.15. And then right here, we get this nice pop up right here to this level. So I exited out of my position right there. And I basically let everybody know in the chat right here, you'll see out of SNGX on that quick pop, could go higher, but I secured a quick win to start the day. With my system and the way I teach my one-on-one students and how they've been able to get 7 green trading days in a row, we like to create a cushion for the day. So I have some setups that are very, very high win rate. So for example, like the setup that I sent today, there's so many different things that I look at. Like I would need to get you down for 4 to 6 weeks to really make sure I explain everything. But this setup today had a 96% win rate over the past couple months. So I was very, very confident I was going to be able to get a quick pop out of it. That's exactly what I got right here. Now, After I get this quick pop right here, what I should have done is as soon as we started pulling back, and I knew it and I called it too late, I should have entered right here as soon as this candle wicked down. And this is 100% a setup that me and my one-on-one students just started looking for. This test down right here, I should have got in, and unfortunately I missed it. I didn't pull the trigger right there. I was a little late to it. But if I would have got in on that pullback right here, very good chance. I was already up for the day, so I could be more aggressive. Very good chance that I could have got anywhere from a 57 all the way up to a 179% move on that pullback right there. So kind of beating myself up that I missed that pullback right there and I didn't double dip on this one. I should have got in here. And then what I would have done right here, guys, is I would have still went in with a group order, right? I would have had my stop loss probably down right around this area. And I would have had my take profit set like right here as well, but I would have kept dragging them up as this stock goes up. So as the stock goes up, I would have set my TP a little bit higher. I would have dragged my TP or stop loss a little bit higher and try to catch more of this move. And the great thing about SNGX is SNGX was actually a perfect stock to do this on, because these pullbacks were not that drastic, right? This was probably like around a 10 to 15% pullback here, 10 to 15% pullback here, and then after that it just exploded straight up to 538. I definitely probably, like at 179% up, I definitely would have been completely exiting out of my position there. So that would have been a great move. I unfortunately missed out on that, but I did catch this quick move here. Quick little base hit for the day. Unfortunately, I missed that pullback, but that was a trade me and my one-on-one students took. Again, base hit, solid little small green day. We'll look for more setups like this in the future, guys. If you guys are interested in getting one-on-one training with me, I'm looking for two different types of people. Number one, I'm looking for the hardworking husband or the man of the house who's looking to become a better trader that probably trades like a jackass. If you're tired of trading like a jackass and you're tired of gambling your money and you want to trade with a data-backed system, I've tracked over 1,400 plus breakouts. So whenever I take a setup, I'm not guessing, I'm using historical data. I know exactly where to put my take profit. I know exactly where to put my stop loss, and that's how my one-on-one students have been getting results. And again, my results are not typical trading. Is not a get rich quick scheme. But if you want one-on-one training, add me on Facebook, send me a message, let me know. And the second type of person I'm looking for is any woman out there that is looking to outdo their husband. Because currently right now I'm teaching my wife how to day trade, and she's had 7 green trading days in a row. So if you're married, you want to outdo your husband, go to Facebook, send me a message there as well. I'm looking to take on at least 3 to 5 more students here over the next month. So that's all I got for you in today's trading recap, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Deuces.